Well, this is a cool dashboard they give you. Nice. Okay, then go to more tools.
More tools.
Yep, and then go to business settings. There we go. Now we're on the good one. All right, now click on data sources.
Data sources.
Pixels. And then you're going to click add. And then all you're doing is like giving it a title. So like you can say Alexander's Shopify pixel, because this is going to be a tracking pixel that keeps track of everybody who visits your site.
Cool.
And essentially what you're doing is like just entering the website if you want here that it goes to.
Is that the Shopify?
No, it'll be your main domain.
I haven't linked a main domain to my Shopify.
Okay, then hit continue. It's optional, so we don't have to worry about that. And then essentially what you're doing is going to hit setup pixel. And then you're just going to do add code using partner integration. So since, Shopify is already connected, you'll just click that one. Yep. And then you'll log into your Shopify account. Yep. Hit see instructions just to make sure. I should show you real quick. All right. Yeah. So go to Shopify and then you're just going to do what this says. It says install the Facebook channel. So next to sales channel on the far left. Yep. Hit that plus sign. And then you're going to do Facebook. Yep. All right. And then on Facebook, okay, yep. So view details on that. Okay, yeah, this is fine. So you can just go to the bottom here and then update sales channel. So now you've connected the sales channel and now you're gonna hit start. We'll scroll down a little bit first. Yeah, hit start setup on the Facebook marketing one. And then you'll connect your business manager, which is gonna be the Alex one. And then, yep, ad account. So your ad account is going to be, well, before you click that, go to the business manager real fast, where you just were in Facebook on that page I was showing you. Yeah, and then X out on this real fast on that. Yep, and then click add accounts on the far left. So under pages. Nice. Now you're gonna hit add. Create a new ad account. Now you're just going to give it a name and you name it your name and then say like, that's it. That's all it really needs to say. Yep. Then your business. And then just click on your name over there. Yep, that little circle. And then you're going to select manage ad account full control at the very bottom. Yep. And then assign. Perfect. And then you hit close and then just go back to the Shopify. By the way, you're really moving nicely through this for having no experience with the backend access.
Doing what you say.
All right, and then on Shopify.
Back to Shopify.
Yeah, and then now just refresh your page because we want to connect that ad account we just created. Because this is your ad account, we don't want to connect anything other than your ad account, so that way, it shows up here. Let's go to Business Manager on that thing right there above the ad account and just see if it loads again. Yeah, just disconnect and reconnect maybe. So that way we can get it back in here. Above it.
This one?
Yep, that's it. That's the one we created. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. That was the problem the whole time. That tricked us.
Finally. All right.
Yep. Enable that. And then you're going to select maximum. Go back to data sharing. Yeah. And then select maximum. Most people don't know to do that. And that's going to give you a big lift in results, big time. That's essentially the API. So now anybody who uses an ad blocker on your site, doesn't matter. Still track them.
Accept.
Yep. Finish setup. All right, cool. X out of that. Now, go to your settings here in the bottom left.
Settings.
Yep. And then you're going to go to general real fast, I believe it is. And scroll down. All right, go back. I think we go to your Facebook, yeah. And then scroll back down. Yeah, you just completed setup. Let me double check. Type in Facebook Pixel at the very top here and search. All right. Yeah, click on this online store preferences. Scroll down. Okay, set up Facebook. All right, now scroll down. Okay, click on accounts. We just set all this up, so we should be good to go. Click marketing settings. I don't know why it's not loading. All right, data commerce settings. Data sharing again. I guess nothing's loading. Scroll down a little bit further on data sharing. It'll tell us your ID probably because it's see-through. Okay, so it is 8350. Go to your business manager. And then go to your pixels under data sources. I gotta give it to you. You really are pretty quick at navigating things. All right, so Alexander Shopify Pixel 8350. This is the one Shopify created for you. Click on the other one.
The other what? This one?
Yeah. All right, so that's fine. We can use the one that they created for you. No worries. Click on that one. And then all you're gonna do is hit the drop down or the open in events manager. Yeah, hit open in events manager. And all we're gonna do there, no, not that one, the one above it. Yep, sorry. And we'll go ahead and make sure that, yeah, cool. Okay, so this is gonna be fine. It's all working now. Now, if people go to your site, it's gonna be activated. Okay, it'll turn green.
I think you froze for a sec.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
All right. Click on settings here. Scroll down. Yep. All right. Scroll down. Click on the drop down next to advanced matching. Turn on all those. This is essentially just matching it to people so that when we know who they are, this is just pulling in their data and accepting it. All right. Everything's good to go. This thing's going to be tracking now. So whenever you create a campaign now, you're going to be able to use this pixel for that optimization. It'll make sense once you go through the process, but this is a really important step that was definitely needed.
Okay, cool.
So yeah, your pixel is now going to track data and so forth. So when people make purchases, it's going to keep track of all that data for you. Yeah, so like now on your site, you have an activated pixel, which is really good. What is your website called?
My Shopify one or like my actual domain?
Your
like
Shopify.
I guess it's just alex-stemp.myshopify.
Okay, so yeah, you'll probably have to end up getting that masked so it doesn't say Shopify. Okay, yeah, it says coming soon. Nice. Yeah, so I mean, that part's done. The only other steps are really just, finishing your site and getting all that ready. And then like your ad account's pretty much good to go.
All right. So next steps for me are to put all my products on my website. Is that straightforward?
$1 and you make back $5. It technically doesn't cost you anything.
That's incredible. What do you think I'll be able to make back on $1?
Upon launch, $2. So essentially, yeah, you'll be able to double it.
Crazy to me. Is there any limit to that? Like if I literally dropped like 100 grand, I'd get 200 grand.
You could. Yeah, but it's not so, it depends how long you run that 200 grand. I mean, that 100 grand. Like if you did it throughout the year, you could probably average like 3 times that if it was over the course of a year. Now, if you do it in 1 month, you might actually make like a 1.7, which is like you spend 100K, you make back 170,000. So essentially you profit 70K, but it never technically costed you anything. It's just money back.
So when I get this all up and running, what do I need to run the campaign? Do I need an email list? I'm guessing I'll need like what assets? Like I'll need an actual ad.
Yeah, you'll need creatives, which you have plenty of.
Mhm.
You don't have to worry about that part. You actually have the hardest part done. Seriously, you have the hardest part always done, which is wonderful. Yeah, so you just need the creative. You need copy, what you're going to write. That part's easy for you. So you can add a sales channel or app. It would be an app, and then you just add Klaviyo. And then
that too.
That's just an email marketing tool.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a really good one.